Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, hi, welcome. I'm Sandy, and today I am so excited to be doing a collaboration with Melissa Freeman. We are doing a 10-minute cleaning challenge for 3 rooms, 10 minutes each. So I'm super excited about that because she is such a sweetheart. You guys are gonna love her. Her channel is also a lifestyle channel. She does mommy videos, vlogs, she does cleaning videos, and all kinds of good stuff. I'm gonna link her channel down below and her video down below, and you guys have to check her video out after this video. So let's get rolling. So first I'm going to try to tackle my son's room because it has really been getting out of hand. So I'm going to set the timer for 10 minutes. This is how Gideon's room turned out. There's still a decent amount of stuff that I have to pick up, but I think I did an okay job in 10 minutes considering how messy it was. Next I'm going to be tackling my kitchen, so I'm going to put on some Netflix because I like to hear something in the background, usually a show or music or something. So I'm going to set Gilmore Girls on, I'm going to set the clock to 10 minutes and try to tackle my never-ending pile of dishes in the kitchen.
Down the moon and give that to
This is the end result of the kitchen. Last, I'm gonna clean my bathroom, which isn't terrible, so I think that I'll be able to get this done in 10 minutes.
There's a storm coming, and I need a hand to hold, with the fear of being here on my own, where the wind's blowing and the leaves they turn to gold, like they did with you those summers ago. I can't stop thinking about those years ago, when sleeping next to you was usual. I'd rather spend my lifetime on my own than ever been in love those years ago. But now remembering is all I know. There's a storm coming, summer's just around the bend, and my bottle's empty once again, and my feet's burning on the roads we used to walk, where the rivers walked along with us. I can't stop thinking about those years ago, when sleeping next to you was usual. I'd rather spend my lifetime on my own than ever been in love those years ago.
Alright guys, that was it for this cleaning video. Don't forget to check out Melissa's 10-minute cleaning challenge linked down below. If you guys liked this, please give it a like, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button down below for more future videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye!